All right, welcome everybody to your first assignment of the year of all of IGCSE. Just to give you a little more in-depth explanation about the assignment, I make this video so you can kind of reference it and follow along, so you can hopefully easily do your assignment. So what everybody should have are all the chords in C major. So our key is C major, so our one chord is a C major chord. And then you just go up the major scale, making a chord on each new note. So first we have C major, that's our one chord. Here we have D minor, which is our two chord. Here we have E minor, three chord. F major is our four chord. G major is our five chord. A minor is our six chord. B diminished, which is our seven chord. We are not allowed to use this chord yet. And then that brings us back to our one chord, which is C major. Again, we use Roman numerals to number them. Capital means it is a major chord. Lowercase means it is a minor chord. We put the apostrophe at the end to show that it's diminished. Diminished is just like double minor. Okay, so these are the chords I can pick when my chord progression starts on C major. Taking its relative minor, we look at the sixth chord. So in this case, it's A minor. So I start the scale on A minor, and then I just number them and label if they're major or minor. So now we're in A minor. So our one chord is going to be A minor. Our two chord is B diminished. We are not allowed to use this. Our three chord will be C major. Four chord, D minor. Our five chord, when we're starting a chord progression on a minor chord, so in this case, A minor, whenever you use the five chord, you have to make it a major. So naturally, it will be a minor. So we need to go in, find the middle note of the chord. So in this case, it's a G, and then we have to raise it up one semitone. Okay, so normally it would be like this. So I need to raise it. I can click on it, use my up arrow. That will raise it up a semitone. Okay, so whenever your chord progression starts with a minor chord, and you decide, you don't have to, but if you decide to use the five chord, you have to make it a major. Our sixth chord is F major, our seventh chord is G major, and then that brings us back to our one, which is A minor. So for your assignment, I asked you to give me three chord progressions, and we label them. This would be like our A section, our B section, and our C section. When composing a song, you will have multiple sections, and in music, we label them with the first letters of the alphabet. So for our A section, your assignment is to just pick four chords. So if I decide to start my composition with a minor chord, so in this case, it's A minor, I'm going to click on my first measure. We're going to use whole notes, and I'm going to put in an A minor chord. Oh, why'd you go over there? Oh no, did you freeze? Oh, hang on. Not responding. So again, the assignment is to choose, are you going to start with a major chord or a minor chord? Are you going to start your chord progression with C major, or are you going to start it with A minor? And then just pick four chords. So a chord progression is usually just four chords. Any kind of pop song or any song you hear on the radio, really, it's just four chords repeated over and over again. Sometimes the whole song is just four chords. So, well, it looks like my MuseScore has stopped. So I will record a part two